In this step, we're going to attach 1/2 of the head to the base that we have constructed so far. So simply take the head and place it on top. Again, remember that the front side of the head should match up with the front and the back side should match up with the back. Make sure all the wires stay towards the inside of the head. And simply slide it over the screws. Once you slid it over the screws, there are 3 screws that you're going to add hex nuts to. One is at the back, one is to the left, and one is to the right. So take a hex nut and just screw it down. 3 in total. Now there might come a situation where a nut or a screw or something falls down into the bottom. Just simply take it over, invert it, and it should fall out.